In the UK, over 15,000 people infected with coronavirus were left out of infection counts and contact tracing efforts because the spreadsheet that used to track ran out of space. Well, there are numerous cases like this where how big and small organizations have messed it on spreadsheets. Well, if you're using a spreadsheet, it's time you consider a database. Let me explain what the difference is between spreadsheets and a database. So basically, the first difference, spreadsheets will show you everything all the time, and it is unstructured. It's great, but when the data grows, your computer grinds to a halt. With databases, data is stored behind the scenes and is easily accessible when you need it, how you need it. Second, filtering and sorting data is a mess with spreadsheets. It changes the complete view of the sheet. With databases, you can do querying much faster and easier and pull up data on anything, in a couple of clicks, and even set specific filtered views that is in sync at all times with the master database. Third, data validation is not there in spreadsheets. Any column, any cell can take up anything. The cell is not validated. So, that can get unstructured very easily. With databases, databases work on different column types, where there are different unique validated column types that allows you to store a certain set of information that you've given to them, like attachments or drop-downs or checkboxes or long text or even statuses. Fourth, in a spreadsheet, you always see a data in a table. With databases like StackBy, you can visualize your data not only in table, but in multiple views like a pipeline, a calendar, gallery, and even create custom forms to bring information from anywhere. Fifth, spreadsheets are a headache when it comes to referencing data from other tables. But with easy to use databases, now allows for interlinking between tables much easier. Databases are relational. You can link across tables, link records across tables, look up or even aggregate information and show it in other tables without creating a mess. Sixth, you cannot pull data from services or APIs without learning scripts or technical functions in a spreadsheet. With a non-technical database like StackBy, you can connect columns to third-party services and pull information in real time and refresh automatically. No more copy-paste like you do in your spreadsheets. So if it is used properly, you can save up to 1 hour per person in your team every single week. So that's why databases are powerful for your business. And once you make it collaborative, you can do wonders in managing and scaling your team for any type of a workflow. So try consider using a database today and sign up for StackBy for free. Thank you.